siya matatalon. Yari na yan.
And we're still live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. It's San Sebastian. And our guest team, UC.
Yan. Bum! Isa lang!
First position of UC, Sahor. Nice steal by Lusada. Now, De La Cruz, first basket, first attempt, too strong, top, Lusada. Stepping on the line. Turnover on San Sebastian. 9 minutes and 38 seconds. La Figuera. Short. Rebound on San Sebastian.
Number 1. Haja, number 3.
In and out, Sahor top. Lusada. Short. Now Del Rosario. Pass to La Figuera. Back to Del Rosario. Alcantara, Joe 14 to shoot. Sahor. Now, too strong. Rebound on San Sebastian. 8 minutes. 1-1 run. Yes! First basket, first shot coming from San Sebastian.
Cruz.
La Figuera. To De La Cruz. Back to La Figuera. 14 to shoot. 10. Blocked by Lusada. Sahor. Top. All alone again. Number 0. Drive. Jaime short. By Jaime. In and out. Lusada. Top. Cruz. Pay. Oh! Shot again! 3-second violation on San Sebastian in 8 minutes. This game is brought to you by Core Sports. In and out. 40 to shoot. Up. La Figuera. Yes, on La Figuera. 2-all. It's Sebastian versus UC. Our NCAA Sisuto Cruz. Nice drive by Cruz. Again, short. Top. Rebound on Alcantara. Alcantara. To Sahor. Now Del Rosario. Our ball, Lusada.
Zero.
Now Cruz.
Zero Jaime.
Lusada. Oh, short. Sahor. Now La Figuera. It's 2-1. La Figuera drive. La Figuera now 2. Against 4. It's 2-point lead on UC. Del Rosario. Short again. Sahor rebound. Lusada. Lusada. Yes! Oh, Lusada. It's 4-all. His first deadlock of the game. 6 minutes and 15 seconds. Too strong. Rebound. La Figuera again. Short. Alcantara. 14 to shoot. Steal. On run. Basket. On rebound on De La Cruz. Now De La Cruz. La Peguera. 14 to shoot. Sahor. 10. 7 to shoot. 7 to shoot.
Wala.
5. Black. It's 2-1. Jaime, yes! Time out on UC. It's 6 against 4. 2-point lead on San Sebastian.
Hindi ka naligaw? Hindi na namin sarili. Hindi na namin sarili. May parang may pang...
Big ball, same ball, same ball. 5 minutes and 15. La Peguera, De La Cruz. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, De La Cruz. Oh, turnover again on San Sebastian. It's 7-6. 1 point lead on UC.
Sa labas meron siya.
Sahor, top. Jaime. Ow! In and out. Rebound on Sahor. Now La Peguera. Short. Lusada. Again, short by Lusada. Intercepted sa Misan. Sahor. Now La Peguera. Short, top. Alcantara. Again, top. Pedro Rosario. Alcantara again. Now La Peguera. La Peguera. Block. It's San Sebastian ball. San Sebastian. 3 minutes and 56 seconds. Time out on San Sebastian.
Huwag niyo pakarin ng bola sa Jumong.
Now Cruz. Again, Cruz to Losada. Back to Cruz. 14 to shoot.
Ay, wag ko sa ko.
Block by Sahor. La Peguera. Yes, on La Peguera. It's into 6.
Yan, no? Kasi simula pa lang.
Alcantara. With Rosario. La Peguera. Nice defense on Losada. It's 3-on-1.
Cruz!
Cruz. Top. Sahor.
Oh my
Del
God.
Rosario. Jaime. 3 minutes. 14 to shoot. Cruz. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Cruz. 9-all. It's 2 minutes 48 seconds. Foul. Foul on 0. First on Jaime. First team foul, San Sebastian. 2 minutes and 39 seconds. It's 9-all. La Peguera. Del Rosario. Alcantara. Black.
Yo, yo, eh.
Jaime. Airball.
Cruz.
Cruz. 3-second violation against Jaime. 2 minutes.
Ay, shoot. Ay,
Short. Top. Now Cruz. 1-1 by De Rosario. Cruz. Del Rosario. Bang! Oh, Del Rosario.
11.
Yes, on La Peguera. Now 11 all. 1 minute and 45 seconds.
Pag mo sinutry.
14 to shoot. Too strong. Top. Luzada. Sahor. Now, De La Cruz. La Peguera. Again too strong. La Peguera. Yes, on La Peguera. Now 13 to 11. It's 2-point lead on UC. Jaime. Guarded by Alcantara. Foul. Foul on Alcantara. First on Alcantara. First team foul, UC. Now Cruz. Luzada.
Yun na lang.
Jaime. Airball. Del Rosario. 5 to shoot. 5. Whoa! Del Rosario now 13 all. 45 seconds. 40. Del Rosario. Traveling violation. Traveling. 32 seconds. 32. La Peguera. In and out. Top. Sahor. With San Sebastian ball. 24 seconds.
Sakto lang yan, sakto lang yan. Sakto lang yan, last shot.
Steven La Peguera. De La Cruz. Short. 15 seconds. 10.
Ay, yan lang.
8 seconds. 8 seconds. Five. 3 seconds. 3. Foul on number 1. On San Sebastian.
Hajin.
14 to 13. 14 to 13. And now for first quarter, our score. It's 14 now against 13. 1 point lead on UC. Second quarter ready, second quarter. Second quarter, second quarter. It's San Sebastian ball, San Sebastian. Our score, it's 14 against 13, 1 point lead on UC. Now, Doyo Man Alcala is in the ball game. Now Fernandez. Fernandez dive to Makasibang. Makasibang too strong, top. Rebound on San Sebastian. Now Mendoza. Foul! Wow! Basket count and 1 on Mendoza. Foul on number 3 on Brolio. First on Brolio. First team foul against UC. In and out. Now, Fernandez goes to coach. In and out. Rebound on Salamat. Looking for the point guard. 9 minutes.
Number 4. Mendoza.
Magasimang. Foul. Foul on number 24 on Salamat. First on Salamat. First team foul, San Sebastian. Our score is 15-14. 1 point lead on San Sebastian.
Ayan na.
Tap, Salamat. Now Yo-Yo Man, Alcala, looking for Mendoza. Wow! One game goal by Mendoza, now 17. Against the 14, it's 3-point lead on San Sebastian.
Yan, dalawang katisal yan.
Fernandez, bigay nun, foul. Foul on number 14 on Mendoza. Second team foul on San Sebastian. First, against Mendoza. Intercepted again by San Sebastian. It's 3-1, drive, pop, out, Makasibang. Now Makasibang to Reganon, looking for Sugitan. In and out, rebound again by Prolio. Mendoza. Now the Yo-Yo Man, Alcala. Yo-Yo Man, bang! The Yo-Yo Man, Alcala. 19-14, it's 5-point lead on San Sebastian.
Wow, magic.
Now Fernandez. Subitan, Makasibang. In and out, tap. Rolio, whoa, turnover on UC. It's 19 again to 16, 14. 5-point lead on San Sebastian. Now the Yo-Yo Man. Nice fake, top. Short. Iba ng Sugitan. Now, Reganon. Pass to Sugitan. Foul. Whoa! Basket count and 1 on Sugitan. Foul again on number 24 on Salamat. Second personal foul on Sir Salamat. 13 foul, San Sebastian. It's 19 against the 15. In and out. Fernandez. 40 to shoot. 10. 5. Foul.
Box muna tayo.
Foul on number 27. Warning for penalty on San Sebastian. 47. Reganon. Rolio. 10 to shoot. Rebound on Salamat. Now Solomon. Oh, foul on number 14 on Mendoza. Penalty not penalty.
Apat na. Number 4 na bayan ka lang.
Second personal foul against Mendoza.
Sebastian.
6 minutes. Now 16 to 19, 3-point lead on San Sebastian.
Kaliwa! Kaliwa!
Yo-Yo Man, Mendoza, foul. Foul on number 3 on Prolio. Second team foul on UC. Second personal foul on Prolio.
Sir, doon kayo, doon kayo. Doon kayo. Mga player, call lang dito.
Si Jumong, warning! Kanina pa dyan!
Mga player dito, player.
In and out.
Guys, sa kwenta.
Now Fernandez. Mangasibang. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Mangasibang!
Kumanalo na yun na gawin spindi.
Too strong. Fernandez. Ay, still on the Yo-Yo Man. Yo-Yo Man, Rob, Yo-Yo Man. Salamat, salamat. Too strong. Mendoza. Top. Wow! Turnover on San Sebastian. 5 minutes. Fernandez, carried by the Yo-Yo Man. Sigitan. 40 to shoot. Rintas na talagaan by the Yo-Yo Man. Pass, steal. There we go. Nice stop up. Pangasiban again. Too strong. Yo-Yo Man. It's San Sebastian ball. San Sebastian. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. 19 all. Mendoza. Kanil ba ang makasibang? 40 to shoot. 10. 8 to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. Tapay Prolio. Now Magasilang. Whoa! Nice defense on the Yo-Yo Man. 3 minutes and 58 seconds. Time out on San Sebastian. And we're still live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. And our official referee for today is referee Apatan and referee Ibrahim El-Rasis of Marawi City. Mr. Dreamboy referee Abdul Aziz. All. It's 3 minutes and 56 seconds. Second quarter, second game. Now Fernandez, Ricanon. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, the captain, Ricanon. Now 3-point lead on UC. Salamat. Short. Rolio. Fernandez, Magasilang. Tingnan out. Ow! Sugitan. Magasilang. Block. Magasilang again. Foul. Foul on number 24. On Salamat. Penalty rep. Third personal foul against Sir Salamat. It's 3 minutes and 17 seconds. 22 against 19. It's 3-point lead on UC. Libano on the Yo-Yo Man. Yo-Yo Man now. 6 out, toes to toes. Yo-Yo Man, Yo-Yo Man, Yo-Yo Man. Pass. Oh, short. Now Riganon. Riganon to Fernandez. Fernandez. Short. Now Solomon to Mendoza. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Now Alcala, the Yo-Yo Man. 14 to shoot. 10.
Alcala.
Foul on Prolio. Third personal foul against Mr. Prolio. 13 foul, UC. This game is brought to you by Ice Candy. Basket timeout, Arab. Basket timeout. Sultan, kickball. Timeout on UC. It's 22 against 19. 3-point lead on University of Cebu. It's kickball, white ball, white. Now Fernandez. Makasilang, the birthday boy. Air ball. Now Mendoza. It's 2-1. Mendoza.
Alcala.
Whoa! In and out, top. Nice defense on Makasilang. Now Fernandez. Fernandez. Turnover 2 minutes. It's only 3-point lead on UC. 14 to shoot. 13 to shoot. 13. 1 minute and 46 seconds. Yo-Yo Man. Salamat. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, salamat! 20 to all. Magkasibang. Galing by Mendoza. Inanawat ang masayang Solomon. Pass to Ayon. Mendoza. 1-on-1. Nice move. Tuso. Mendoza again. Solomon! Now 24 to 22. 2-point lead on San Sebastian. Foul. Foul on number 08 on the Yo-Yo Man. Alcala. Penalty.
Pangalan niya.
Second personal foul on the Yo-Yo Man. Alcala. Now 23 to 24. 1-point lead on San Sebastian. 24 all. It's our fourth deadlock of the game. San Sebastian on UC or UNCAA Season 4 by Basketballista. And this game is brought to you by Color Sports. Steal again by Fernandez. Fernandez is 4-2. Fernandez game. Fernandez. It's 6:26 in the ball. Rebound by Seth. Fernandez again. Fernandez. 28 to 24. 35 seconds. Mendoza. 30 seconds. Wow! What an acrobatic move by Mendoza. 26 to 28. 24 seconds. 20. He's still by San Sebastian. 15. Yo-Yo Man. Foul. Foul on number 12 on the captain Viganon. Warning for penalty on UC. 11 seconds. 11. 11 seconds. Five seconds. 5 seconds.
Hey, patulong! Tira! 5 seconds, tira!
Bang!
And now for second quarter, our score is 2-point lead on UC. It's 28 against to 26. Third quarter, ready, third quarter.
Oh, isa lang palitan dyan ha, isa lang.
Parang tanga ito eh. Ilaga.
Third quarter, UC ball, UC.
Ilan kayo sila? Ilan sila? Ilan kayo? Ah, wait. Ilan kayo?
Apat yung nasa labas yun.
Hindi, si Ibrahim. Umihi. Okay, si Ibrahim.
Oo nga, tatlo kayo dyan eh.
Hindi ko nakapat. Pare, 10 kami, 10. Manit lang.
Sampu sila, sampu kasi yung isa. Naman na ulit yung
Sampo sila, sampo. Na isa doon, umihi. Si Regenon. Yung
Foul. Foul on number 27 on Fernandez. First personal foul against Fernandez. First team foul, UE.
Sir, nakabalik agad si Fernandez. Meron pang yung ano nila, yun, payat yung may tato. Ayun yung plus 5 nila eh.
wala natin, unang pilihan basta ko. Third, nakalaro na lahat ulit. Kasi, wala tayong.
Air ball. Whoa! Now 29 to 30. It's 1-point lead now, UC. In and out again, rebound on San Sebastian. 3-second violation on San Sebastian. 6 minutes and 34 seconds. This is our second match, second game. It's UC versus San Sebastian. Number 5, first team foul on San Sebastian. Foul on number 25.
Misal.
On Misal. Yes, on Fernandez is 34 to 29. Foul.
Oh, nice! Time out, boss. Time out.
Time out! On San Sebastian, foul on Fernandez. Second personal foul on Fernandez. Second team foul against UC.
Sino nagtama? Opo. Yes po.
This game is brought to you by Color Sports, Basketballista, and Mang Tinay Ice Candy. 34 to 13. 4-point lead now on UC. Top, Laila Peguera. Lusada. Now Fernandez. De La Cruz. Wow! Hindi na out by De La Cruz. Lusada. Foul. Foul on number 5 on Sohor. 13 foul on UC. First personal foul against Soho. 31-34. Wala pa. 32-34. Stop rep, stop.
Yan, sab. Sab.
Kaya, kaya!
Ayun.
It's San Sebastian ball, San Sebastian.
Yan.
4 minutes and 50 seconds. Back-to-back turnover on San Sebastian.
Pwesto muna, pwesto muna.
Whoa! 34 all! 4 minutes! Foul. Foul on number 14. 13 foul on San Sebastian.
Del Rosario.
Konti isa, rep lang. Konti isa.
3 minutes and 40 seconds, 35-34. La Figuera. Sub rep, sub rep, sub.
Sa kabila, hanapin mo din ang pinuse.
Short. Yes, on La Figuera. Hernandez. Yeah, La Figuera. 2 minutes. Now 7 point lead on UC. Until sa saklat. Salamat. In and out. 1 minute and 39. 1 minute and 35 seconds.
Tuloy lang! Tayo! Tayo! Wag na! Tawag ka na dun sa taas na.
Yes, on Singitan. 1 minute and 19. Back to 9 point lead on San Sebastian UC. Yes, 36 against 243. 1 minute.
Yes! Nandiyan! Wow, hindi mo nakasapan ba?
50 seconds. Foul. Foul on 14 on Del Rosario. Penalty red, penalty.
Del Rosario second.
Second on Del Rosario.
Meron din 14 de la Cruz na dalawa yun.
Now 37-43. 40 seconds. 15 seconds, 15.
Tandaan na mag-ipan. Walang sadyang yun. Tandaan lang, tignan mo lagi.
Foul on number 24 on Salamat. Warning for penalty on San Sebastian, 13 seconds. 10. Our score 43 against 37. Last quarter, last quarter.
Jersey number 88. Afiliado mo? 88. Bantay? Bangay? Kabangay 88?
Kabanday.
Kabangay.
Kaban.
Kabangay 88.
Kabangay.
Kuya, kalma, kalma, kalma.
Dati ako mag-rebound, hindi na ako pababay. Kasi hindi na ako hindi.
It's UC ball, UC. We have jump ball kanina. Ball left.
Bertie boy!
Air ball. Foul.
Nice, 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 nice.
7. Yung sabi.
Foul on Del Rosario. First personal first team foul on San Sebastian.
Ice cream day. Ayun, si Kuya.
Salang, salang.
Salang.
Kaya ako. Yan. Okay, atin pa.
Makasibang.
Sibang.
Fernandez, 10 to shoot.
Wow! Ayan, score na yan. Score na yan. Kanina.
Bang! On La Figuera.
Sugat, sugat. Ay, ito.
In and out. Top. Whoa! Lucena! Oh, Yo-Yo Boy.
39-45.
Okay.
9 minutes. Only 6-point lead on UC. It's 45 against the 39.
Sapagat eh.
Lucena.
Defense, defense. Wag, 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 defense.
Oh, Yo-Yo Man. 41 to 45. It's 4-point lead on UC. Fernandez. In and out. Rebound by Lucena. Cruz. Too strong. Yo-Yo Man again. Yo-Yo Man. Whoa! What a pass coming on Yo-Yo Man. It's 45 to 43. 2-point lead on UC.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, guys. Screen tayo, screen. Salam.
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On La Figuera.
Dumagin ako, matanda na ako, dumagin pa ako.
Defense, defense.
Short. Whoa! Fernandez. La Figuera.
Ayan na, nabigyan na, kaya mo yan. Tapak, tapak.
Short. Rebound on Yo-Yo Man. Yo-Yo Man. Yo-Yo Man. Pass. Short. Makasibang. Sugitan. Whoa! Sugitan. It's 50 against the 43. Lucena. Now Yonaman. Short. Cruz. Short again. Rebound on sa hawa, Pakasibang. Short. Now Pakasibang, 10 to shoot, 10.
Pasok na! Limang siyak na!
Short. 6 minutes at 30 to shoot, rep, sub rep.
Hilang! Hilang!
Only 7-point lead on UC. It's 50. Sub rep, sub.
Oh, depensa, 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 depensa. Oh, delaying the game.
Delay na!
Wow, short. 6 minutes, 6 minutes. Sigitan. Tumakasibang. Lapit niya, 3-second violation on Sahor.
Kasi may late look sa lalim. Kunin sana eh. Oh, pa-depensa tayo.
Okay, defense now, defense.
Daya, ice candy! Pasok! Pansit! Pasok!
Pull down, pull down.
Madam, baka tawag ka na doon.
Depensa, depensa, depensa. Ay, wala, 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 wala.
10 to shoot, 10.
Wala. Bye ka na? Ito nga pa, parking ko na. Do. Tingnan mo, nagpon ako.
Kaya, kaya!
Kaya, kaya.
Content pa!
Oh! Makasibang!
Grabe talaga ang birthday boy.
5 minutes!
Eh, uwi na to, madam.
Ya, uwi. Wala, wala, wala.
Black foul. Foul on number 5 on Sahor. Second personal foul against Sahor. First against UC. Basket timeout tayo pa. Basket timeout. 44 to 52. It's 8-point lead on UC. Timeout on San Sebastian. 7-point lead na UC, 4 minutes and 41 seconds. This timeout is brought to you by Everready, Minola, and Mang Tomas Sarza.
Mamaya ka.
52 to 45. It's 7-point lead on UC.
Shot, 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 shot.
Yan, birthday yung boy. Nice pass.
Ano ka?
Baba, baba, depensa!
Defense, defense, defense.
Nice pass!
Mendoza!
Oh! Oh!
Oh, Fernandez.
It's San Sebastian mo, San Sebastian.
Kawawa naman si Fernandez.
Defense, defense, defense.
Short, Sahor. Alcala. Too strong, Lozada. Foul.
Will Minguez, number 4.
Foul on Sahor. Sabrep, sub.
Lahore third.
Right personal foul on Sahor, substitution. Now 46 to 52, 6-point lead on UC. Basket count, interfering, interfere 48 to 52. Sub. Now 4-point lead against UC.
Kuya, pagpalit ka na po.
3 minutes and 30 seconds.
Support!
Oo, kasi uwi na rin yan eh.
10 to shoot.
Bang bang.
Now Yo-Yo Man.
Ayun.
Yo-Yo Man. To the Jaime. Time out. Oh, UC, it's 52 against the 50.
Sino ang tanaw?
Three minutes and 11 seconds. One left.
Ice skating!
3 minutes. Short. Yo-Yo Man. To Mendoza. Short. Whoa! 52 to all. 52 all. Magasiban.
Bang.
La Peguera.
Bang.
Whoa, La Peguera is 54 to 52.
Lozada. Oh
Fernandez. It's San Sebastian ball. San Sebastian.
Nice one.
San Sebastian ball. 2 minutes and 10.
Aten, si Master.
Parang sisindot naman sa alkalay. Putik.
1 minute and 56 seconds. 14 seconds at 14.
Yeah, go! Kinsey! Go! Ball, penalty.
What happened? Ya Allah.
Foul on number 15 on UC.
Sugatan.
Sugatan. Third team foul on UC. 1 minute and 45 seconds. It's 54 against the 52. Only 2-point lead against UC.
Renz, kuha sa ilalim. Tingin sa ilalim. Tawid sa ilalim. Kuha. Nice.
A ball. Lusada. Whoa! Lusada.
54.
Foul. Foul on number 88. Second team foul on San Sebastian. Second team foul on San Sebastian. 54 all. 54.
Number 8, diba?
88.
88.
Oh! Sugitan! Sahur! Time to shoot! Foul!
88.
Foul on 0. 13 foul on San Sebastian. It's 1 minute 8 seconds.
Jaime second.
Second personal foul on 0 on Jaime.
Nakikera. Supporting zone. Short.
Now 55 to 54. It's 1 point lead on UC. Sahur! Tula Magera! Foul. 43 seconds, 43.
Nice and
Foul on number 14 on Mendoza. Warning for penalty on San Sebastian.
Mendoza third.
Third personal foul on Mendoza. 43 seconds, 43. Time out, Time out on San Sebastian. Time out on San Sebastian. It's 43 seconds, 54, 55, 1 point lead against UC.
Sino nang pa? Sa Richard niya?
It's exciting match between UC San Sebastian or NCAA. Ay basketballista. 43 seconds.
Sino ka tayo? Tabok.
14 to shoot. 43 seconds.
Shoot mo yan. Oh no. Oh.
Oh, Yoyovans! 32 seconds, 32. "32 seconds. 30 seconds. Time to shoot. Bang! 15.
Quick two!
10. Foul.
Break, quick two!
9 seconds, 9. Warning for penalty on UC.
Tres!
5.
Boom!
1 second. 1 second. Foul on Mendoza. Penalty na, penalty. Two free throw shot of Fernandez.
Sabi, wala na talaga. Wala na eh. Bilangin nyo na. Mom, andam ka na lang, Kasmong. Oo.
Diana's final shot. Fernandez.
Ayan, ah.
Aywa.